Welcome back. In this video, we are going to look at how to solve fractional equations. In order to do that, we have to first consider what our lowest common denominator will be. So in this case, our lowest common denominator would be 7a plus 2 times 6. And I could multiply the 7 and the 6 together, but I'm just going to leave it as is for now. So step 1, determine your lowest common denominator. Step 2 is multiply by your lowest common denominator. So we are going to take every single term and we're going to multiply it by the lowest common denominator. So the first fraction, actually all three of these fractions, has a 1 on top, which is very convenient because 1 times anything is the anything. So we're going to replace the top with 7a plus 2 times 6. First fraction is over 7. We are subtracting, again, 7a plus 2 times 6 over a plus 2. And then our last fraction is 1 again, so 1 times 7a plus 2 times 6 divided by 6. The reason we want to do this is so we can simplify. We're going to simplify by canceling out things that are common on both the numerator and the denominator. So in the first fraction, the 7's can disappear. Second fraction, the a plus 2's can disappear. And in the third fraction, the 6's will disappear. What that leaves us with, I'm going to write this down as a simplify step, is 6 times a plus 2 minus 7 times 6 is equal to 7 times a plus 2. So we've actually gotten rid of all of our fractions. Now we can simplify this even more. So we can turn this into 6a plus 12 minus 42 is equal to 7a plus 14. Combining things even more, we get 6a minus 30 is equal to 7a plus 14. Let's bring all our a's to one side and all our numbers to the other side, giving us a 6a minus 7a is equal to 14 plus 30. Left side works out to negative a. Right side will work out to 44. And when we divide both sides by negative 1, we get a is equal to negative 44. And that's going to be your final answer there. That was fast, so let's look at another example. In this example, our lowest common denominator is going to be 3 times 4 times x plus 8. So we are going to multiply everything by our lowest common denominator. When you multiply the first fraction, we have 1 on top, so that changes to 3 times 4 times x plus 8 over x plus 8. Second fraction has a 1 on top again, so we're going to go 3 times 4 times x plus 8 over 3. And then our last fraction has a 1 on top as well, so 3 times 4 times x plus 8 divided by 4. Let's cancel out things. So the first fraction, the x plus 8's cancel out. Second fraction, the 3's cancel out. And third fraction, the 4's are going to cancel out. When we go to simplify this then, we end up with 3 times 4 minus 4 times x plus 8 is equal to 3 times x plus 8. Expanding this even more, we get 12 minus 4x minus 32 is equal to 3 plus 24. Let's get all our numbers to one side and all our x's to one side. So bringing our numbers to one side, we have 12 minus 32 minus 24 is equal to 3x plus 4x. So on our left side, we end up with negative 44. On our right side, we end up with 7x. Divide both sides by 7, giving you x is equal to negative 44 over 7. Finally, let's look at our last question here. And in this question, we have x over x minus 8 plus 1 over x is equal to 1. So what is our lowest common denominator? That is going to be x times x minus 8. Then we multiply by lowest common denominator. So we're multiplying our first term, which is x, times x minus 8. We multiply everything by the lowest common denominator. Second one has a 1 on top, so we are changing that to x minus 8 over x. And then the 1 just gets multiplied by x minus 8 as well. When we go to simplify this, the x minus 8s are going to cancel out. The x's are going to cancel out. So what we're left with in the simplify step is x squared from our first fraction plus x minus 8 from our second fraction is equal to x times x minus 8. When we expand this, we get x squared plus x minus 8 is equal to x squared minus 8x. Let's get all our variables to one side. That gives us x squared plus x minus x squared plus 8x. And all our numbers to one side. So we're just moving the negative 8 to the right side, giving us a positive 8. Because we have a positive x squared and a negative x squared, those two are going to cancel out. We have x plus 8x, which works out to 9x. And then on the other side, we have 8. Dividing both sides by 9 will give us x is equal to 8 over 9.